Hello, everybody, and thank you for watching The Social Professor. Today, I'm diving into something new which I have never done before. Okay, so here's a little confession. I have been razoring my face, shaving my face for the past, I don't know, like maybe I remember from when I was in class 11, from the time earlier मैं अपने दादाजी का razor से I used to try to remove my facial hairs because I have got a lot of hair in my body, like everywhere. Okay, so yeah, and I don't want it to be on my face particularly, and on my hands and legs and whatever. Where am I even going into with it? See, now I know most of you will be telling, oh, that is not good, but it's quick and it's convenient for me. I like quick things, like quick fix, and that had that. And like people say that when when you use razors, when you shave your hair really grows thick, and I don't know, like, yeah, whenever I shave my legs, it's really the hair which I get on my legs that are very thick. But okay, I'll not talk too much. I never, okay, another confession, I never thought I'll be doing all this kind of video. Like, I was never that kind of girl who will like literally take care of myself, like skincare, hair care, this care, that. But I don't know, maybe this is the age. You got to do what you got to do. That's life. Okay, so without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So this is basically like an experience. Okay, like, will I stop shaving my face after I've started using waxing my face basically? So let's see what happens, and I'll be giving you the verdict at the end of the video. I don't know, just let's dive into the video. Okay, so here is the product, the herbal wax from the wellness shop. It claims to be gentle, all natural, and enriched with herbal extracts. Perfect for people like me who are always on lookout for skin-friendly options. Did I say screen? It's skin-friendly options. Now let's see what it is made up of and how to use it. So basically, it's made up of like neem powder, multani mitti, rice powder, neem essential oil, and they've also provided brush. Wow, I just loved it, the brush part. Okay, so before I start, I have prepped my skin. I have washed my skin, and because it's very important, कुछ भी आप apply करने से पहले कोई भी skin care anything, you'll have to wash your face so that all the dirt and oil comes off. ये मैंने पढ़ा था. I just remembered this speech for you guys. Anyways, no, this is like the basic step, right? So now I'm going to apply it. उन लोगों ने ब्रश भी दिया, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये देखिए. I made it thick, quite a little, like kind of thick paste because I don't know. You can add milk or water. ऐसा लिखा हुआ था तो मैंने water use किया. I have got milk in my kitchen, but then it's hot now, so. Oh la la. I was really excited trying over this pack, and this was the first time actually I'm applying with the brush. नहीं तो घर पे तो मैं हाथ से apply कर लेती हूँ, but okay, I'm learning new things and I'm liking it. I'm glad I'm doing something which is not typical Seema types, so I'm liking it. So अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, and what? And let's skip to the good part. Okay, so this is how my skin looks after applying it. मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, एक साइड में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा लगाया है. 7 मिनट्स रखने के लिए बोला, 7 मिनट्स हो गया, लेकिन समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ये साइड नहीं सूखा और थोड़ा थोड़ा सूख गया, तो मैं भी क्या करूँ इसका. लेकिन बोला कि 7 मिनट से ज़्यादा आप मत रखो, धो लो. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, लेट मी जस्ट वॉश माई फेस एंड सी हाउ इट वर्क्स. लाइक आई सेड, फर्स्ट टाइम, सो गलती होना तो बनता है. अभी टावल से पोंछने के लिए बोला, टावल नहीं मेरे पास, तो मैंने अपना टॉप से यूज़ कर लिया. ठीक है, मैं अभी धो के आती हूँ मेरा फेस ना, दैट विल. So now the moment of truth. Yes, I felt a difference. I felt a difference here. Okay. पैकेट में लिखा हुआ था कि पूरा फेस में अप्लाई मत कीजिए जहाँ पे you want to remove your hair. मुझे तो पूरा फेस से रिमूव करना है except my eyebrows and my eyelashes. So let me be honest with you. This was my first time trying this, and I am positive about it. So I am going to ditch shaving my hair unless it's important, जैसे क्विक फिक्स करना है, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है वैक्स करने का बैठ के आराम से, तो that time I'll use razor obviously. But for long term, taking skincare, taking care of my skin, I will definitely use this product because it's natural, skin friendly, and it's good. Yeah, I mean, like हाँ, मुझे अच्छा लगा. So yeah, that's it for today. So ये बहुत सारा पेस्ट बच गया था तो समझ में नहीं आया था मैं इसे क्या करूँ बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट और फूड आई डोंट लाइक वेस्टेज. तो अभी याद आया कि ओह आई नीड टू शेव माई अंडरआर्म्स ऑल्सो व्हाई नॉट जस्ट ट्राई दिस वैक्स. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई दिस वैक्स एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ गाइस ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू. This is how my underarms look like. It's little dark, I know, because I have been shaving. तो shave करने से dark हो जाता है and then there are many reasons, okay. वैसे भी because I'm dark and melanin, why am I even giving you guys all these things? It's just that अगर सच में ये प्रोडक्ट काम कर गया ना मेरे अंडरआर्म्स में तो oh my god, bye razor. It's so difficult, yeah. ये हाथ इसमें तो लगा लिया मैंने अभी. Now I have to put it here. Let me just try here. You know, some of my relatives just call me. They say that Seema, what do you even do in your videos? And some people don't get me. But you know what? I know that I'm not doing anything wrong. And I know that there are girls out there, little baby girls, little sisters, who are so confused about what they should do with themselves. Like I was confused once in my life. I'm always नहीं always नहीं बोलूँगी मैं. पहले बहुत confused रहती थी बहुत कुछ को लेके. But अभी you know I have built myself. I'm proud of myself and I just want to tell you guys that I'm here. Yeah, I'm like your big sister. Like you can trust me guys. मैं हाथ उठा के बैठना पड़ेगा अभी. It's funny. इसको अभी सुखाना पड़ेगा लेकिन फिर भी थोड़ा इतना ज़्यादा बच गया. अभी समझ में नहीं आता है. I don't understand the measurements. मुझे कभी ये क्वांटिटी का मेजरमेंट समझ में नहीं आया. It's okay. I can always use it. I don't want to waste the product. Okay, so you guys, this really worked. I'm glad. Oh my god, is it time for the razor to say bye bye razor? Okay, now what like about the skincare, about the underarm care, what I have been doing. So I have like waxed it. I have just pat dried it because it's always important that you pat dry it. After that I'm going to use this. So I have been using this product for like a month now. The internet made me buy it. This is the Be Body Wise roll-on. It's paraben free and sulfate free. It's basically chemical free. I don't know. तो इससे मतलब क्या होता है? It showed that कि आपका अंडरआर्म अगर you know you've got dark underarms ये remove करता है darkness को. So I'm going to apply that now. Please pardon my camera skills. I'm learning. So yeah, I'm going to apply this. Girlies, this is like roll on. अभी एक चीज़ मुझे समझ में आया कि ये सब करना ना बहुत खर्चा होता है. लाइक पहले मुझे लगता था कि मैं बहुत ही लाइक आई एम नॉट लाइक हाई मेंटेनेंस एट ऑल. बट बाद में उसके बाद मैंने ये स्किन केयर स्टार्ट कर दिया. उसके बाद समझ में आया कि नो आई एम हाई मेंटेनेंस एज वेल. आई डोंट नो. सो ठीक है. Basically my whole motive of the video was to show you guys how I wax my facial hair. But since product bach gaya tha so I waxed my legs also. Oh, it turned out pretty good with the legs as well and my underarms also. So maybe bye bye razor thing is going to happen. Bye guys. Final wala bye.